Hello friends, in this lesson I will discuss how to create empty array. In order to create empty array, we will use empty function. It returns an array of given shape and type without initializing the entries of the array. It is very important to understand, unlike zeros, empty does not set the array value to 0. Therefore, the performance of the array will be marginally faster compared to the zero function. It requires user to manually set all the values of the array. Always try using empty array with caution. Let's first import Numpy. And let's create an array with the empty function. And to this function I will pass the size of the array that I wish to create. Now let's see the values. Now over here you can see that the values shown are zeros. Actually this is not the scenario. The values are dynamic, they can be anything because they are not at all initialized. Let me show you over here. And if you will print the value of x, you will see that the values are not just 0, they are just dynamic. They are automatically picked up from the memory and they are displayed over here. It can be anything because they are not at all initialized. So remember that whenever you are going to use empty function, it will initialize the array, but it will not assign any value to the items of the array. Alright, so always try using it with the caution. Always let the user know that the values of the array should be initialized by the user. So this is how we created the array with some 5 values. Now I will show you how you can create two-dimensional array with this function. So I will have to provide the shape of the array that we need to create, and if you will print the value, it will show you the value of the array. So over here the array is two-dimensional because we provided the shape 2:3. So over here you can see that the shape of the array is 2 rows and 3 columns. In order to check the type of the array items, what you need to do is you can use dtype function and it will give you the type of the array. In case you want to assign type to the array right at the time of initialization, you can do like this, and we have discussed this example too many times in previous lessons also. If I will press enter, and over here if I will check the type of the array, so it says that the type of the array is int32. So you can initialize the array with some specific type right at the time of declaration.